Welcome back, everybody, to another deep dive. And today we're looking into customizing Acumatica. We've got a case study that'll show you how powerful these customizations can be.
Yeah, and this case really shows how you can use Acumatica's features to make some pretty elegant solutions without having to get into complicated coding.
The star of our show today is Ranjith,
Oh, yeah.
an Acumatica consultant with Tiana Solutions. He really knows Acumatica, and he always seems to find a creative solution. One of his clients is an ATM servicing and reselling company,
Okay.
and they needed a custom report,
Uh-huh.
a receipt label, it was called, showing how they break down parts during the disassembly process.
I see.
The challenge was that Acumatica didn't let them get to this report
Yeah.
right from the disassembly screen,
Right where they need it.
exactly where they need it most. Imagine how frustrating that would be for the technicians.
Oh, yeah, for sure. That's a pain.
So how did Ranjith solve it?
Well, he's clever. So instead of jumping into custom code, which can take a long time and cost a lot, he just used Acumatica's customization tools. He added a new action right to the disassembly screen.
Like a shortcut.
Well, it's a bit more than that. He linked the action to the custom report.
Okay, that's smart. But I'm guessing there's more to it than that.
Yeah, you got it. He used parameters to make sure the report would use the correct data based on what the user's working on. So no more manual entry or searching for the right info.
Did he make the report open in a new tab, too? So they don't lose their place on the disassembly screen?
Of course. That's what makes it so elegant, simple, intuitive, and doesn't overwhelm the user.
So it's all about figuring out the user's workflow and using Acumatica's flexibility to make a really smooth experience.
Exactly. And what's impressive is this isn't just a lucky break for Ranjith. This guy has experience across so many Acumatica customization needs like reports, inquiries, business events, security settings, import-export stuff, you name it. He even knows Power BI integration, which is so valuable for data visualization and business intelligence.
Wow, that's a serious skill set. Sounds like Tiana Solutions got themselves a real winner with Ranjith.
Oh, for sure. They're known for Acumatica, and they've got a good reputation for making tailored solutions that are practical and efficient.
So for all those Acumatica consultants out there facing similar customization challenges, what's the big takeaway here?
I'd say the main thing is you don't always have to go for complex coding to solve a problem. A lot of times the answer's already there in Acumatica's customization features. It's just knowing how to use them. And of course, if you need help, don't be afraid to reach out to experts like Ranjith at Tiana Solutions. They know what they're doing and can guide you through it.
It's like having a secret weapon, someone who can help you unlock Acumatica's full potential for your clients.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it. So if you want to improve your client's Acumatica experience, you should think about reaching out to Tiana Solutions. They're known for making custom solutions that are not only technically sound, but also easy to use and very effective.
Their number's 678-910-2774. And don't forget, one of Acumatica's best features is how flexible it is. You got to explore its customization potential.
Right, and remember, you're not alone in this. Partners like Tiana Solutions are here to help you and your clients every step of the way.
So that wraps up our deep dive into customizing Acumatica for those unique business needs.
Yeah, and remember, folks, sometimes those simple solutions are the best ones.
You got it. And if you have the right expertise, you can really turn Acumatica into a custom solution that helps your clients streamline their workflows and work more efficiently.
For sure.
So if you're ready to see what Acumatica customization can do for you and you want to partner with a team that's got a great track record, reach out to Tiana Solutions.
Absolutely.
Their number is 678-910-2774.
Until next time, keep on exploring what's possible with Acumatica.
That's all for today. We hope you found this deep dive helpful. And remember, when it comes to Acumatica, don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore all the customization options out there.